You've stood in this room 100 times, but tonight it feels different. You're not looking at where the couch goes anymore. You're looking at the light, the doorways, the small marks on the wall that map years of your life. And you've decided it's time to sell. Then the feeling creeps in, not relief, overwhelmed, because turning a home into something a stranger will buy seems to involve 100 decisions at once. What's it worth? What to fix? What if you price it wrong? What if it just sits there? Here's the part that changes everything. Selling a home isn't one frantic event. It's a short, ordered process. And the for sale sign, that's not the first step. The work that actually sells a home happens long before anyone sees it. Let's walk through it calmly from the beginning. It starts oddly with a number you walk away with, not the one you list. And before anything else, get clear on two things. Why you're selling, because that sets your timeline and how much you can bend and what you'll actually pocket. That's not the sale price. It's the price minus what you still owe and the cost of selling. That figure is your net proceeds, and knowing it early keeps every later decision grounded. Next, decide how you'll sell. Most people work with a listing agent, someone who prices, markets, and negotiates on your behalf. Their commission is negotiable. It was never set by law, and these days the fee a buyer's agent earns is worked out separately. A good agent earns their keep in two places that are easy to underestimate: pricing and negotiation. Then the home becomes something new, a product someone has to picture their own life inside. So you declutter, you deep clean, you fix the small things that quietly whisper neglected, but resist the urge to renovate. The goal isn't a perfect house. It's a clean, neutral, well-lit one. A coat of paint and real curb appeal return far more than a new kitchen ever will. Now, the most important decision of all, the price. Your agent pulls the comparables, what similar homes nearby actually sold for. And the temptation is always to start high, to leave room. It almost always backfires. Like the most attention your home will ever get is in its first 2 weeks. Overprice it, and you spend that window on the wrong buyers. Then chase the market down with cut after cut, price it right, and the market comes to you. With the price set, you list. Good photos, a clear, honest description, and then the part that tests your patience. Keeping the home show ready while you still live in it. Every showing is a stranger quietly deciding whether your house becomes their home. Then one day, an offer. And here's the secret: the price is only part of it. A slightly lower offer from a buyer with strong financing and few conditions can be worth more than a high one stacked with contingencies. You can accept, reject, or counter. This is where a calm negotiator pays for themselves. You accept, you're under contract. And now two quiet guardians show up, the same two from the buyer's side, just pointed at you. First, the inspection. It may bring requests for repairs or credit, so you negotiate once more. Then the appraisal. It has to support the price you agreed to, or the deal gets reworked. And then closing. You'll sign your name more times than you'd think possible. You'll pay the costs of selling, the commissions, and fees that come out of your proceeds. And here's a piece of quiet good news. If this was your main home for at least 2 of the last 5 years, your profit is usually tax-free, up to $250,000 if you're single, $500,000 if you're married. Then you hand over the keys. Here's the thing to remember. You didn't just sell a building. You took a home full of memories and turned it into a clean, ordered process, one calm decision at a time. Soon someone else will stand in that front room, feel the light, and begin their own story. You didn't scramble. You walked one small, ordered step at a time.